Hello, today we talk about intervals. How many multiples of 9 between 30 and 200? We will do the question in this way. What is the first multiple of 9 between 30 and 200? So it's easy to find, it is 36. And what is the last multiple of 9 between 30 and 200? Then you can find it in this way. Let's use 200 divided by 9. Then you will find there is a remainder 2. So it means if you take away the remainder 2, then the number is okay to divide by 9. So 200 minus 2, which is 198. After we know the first number and last number, then we know the multiples of 9 just build up by plus 9 every time. Of course, we don't want to list down all the multiples of 9 one by one. Then we can solve such question as the trees and the intervals. Now we will take every number as a tree. Then we know the distance between every two trees is 9. Then you know 9 is each interval. And also we can find the total distance from the first tree to the last tree, then which is 198 minus 36, which is 162. Then you know from the first tree to last tree, which is 162. And in between every two trees, each interval is 9. So we can use 162 divided by 9 equal 18. But is it a final answer? No, because after division, actually you are finding how many intervals are there. In order to find how many trees are there, you have to plus 1. So 18 plus 1 equal 19. There are 19 trees. Of course, in this question, we are not finding the trees, but the numbers. So that's the answer, 19. There are 19 multiples of 9. Okay, later we will apply the same idea to solve the question once we want to find how many numbers are there. Question number 2. Derek bought 99 stickers on the first day, and then we bought 12 stickers on the last day. Then we know what is the first number, which is 99. Then what is the last number, which is 12. And then how do we build up the number sequence? Then we know every following day, he bought 3 stickers less than the previous day. So you know every time, just a minus 3. Then how do we count how many numbers are there? Again, we will take every number as a tree. So 3 is each interval. And from the first tree to the last tree, we know the total distance is 99 minus 12 equal 87. And then each interval 3, then how many 3s make 87? So 87 divided by 3 equal 29. Now we know that 29 is the number of intervals. So there are 29 intervals, but we want to find how many trees. So you have to plus 1. That's 30 trees. Of course, in this question, these are not the real trees. We know that's the number of days. So the answer is 30th. Derek will receive 12 stickers on the 30th day. Question number 3. That's a real SASMO question, which is some steps more than the previous question. But the beginning is the same. He bought 99 stickers on the first day, and then on the last day, he bought 12 stickers. And so the first number, 99, the last number, 12. The sequence are built up by every day 3 less than before. Then everything is the same as before, each interval 3. And the total distance is still the same. Then we can solve following the previous idea. Then you will find altogether there are 30 days. But the question asks you, which day of the week did Derek buy 12 stickers? So you have to check the 30 days, how many weeks are there? Then we know you have to use 30 divided by 7 equal 4 remainder 2. The 4 means 4 weeks. The 2 means there are still 2 days left over. Then what is the last day? You only need to check the remainder 2 days. Since Derek starts on Monday, then the remainder 2 days should be Monday, then Tuesday. So the last day is Tuesday. So the answer is Tuesday. Question number 4. What is the sum of all the numbers in the sequence below? The question now asks you to find the sum of all the numbers. You can think in this way. The 3 persons with different height standing in this way. In order to find the sum of them, then we can arrange the 3 persons in reverse order. Then you can see each pair will give you the same sum. So similar idea, now we rearrange the numbers reversely. So that's still the same number, but we just put them backward. Then you will see, now if we add each pair together, 11 plus 59, which is 70, 13 plus 57 is also 70. So you will get the idea, every pair will give you the same sum. And now, in order to find the sum, so we only need to find how many 70s are there. So you will find how many 70s are there. It just depends on how many numbers in the sequence. This is what we have just done in the previous question. In order to find how many numbers are there, we can take every number as a tree and check the interval. In this question, the interval is 2. And then check from the first number to the last number, the total distance is 48. Now use 48 divided by 2, then you will find there are 24 intervals. In order to find how many trees, so you have to plus 1. So there are 25 numbers in the sequence. So now we will find there should be 25 70s in the end. 25 70s, so means 25 times 70. But think carefully, is it a sum of the sequence here? We know no. Why? Because the 25 70s including not only the forward sequence, but also the backward sequence. So means you add the sequence twice. So that's why in order to find the sum of here, then you have to divide by 2. Now you will get the answer, which is 875.